Hi, and thanks for joining me for another video on the BMW M235I Gran Coupe. My name's Jay, and in this video I'm going to be testing the sound of the exhaust system from a cold start in 4 different settings. These are Eco Pro mode, Economy mode, Sports mode, which opens the valve in the left hand side tailpipe, and Sports mode with DSC off. I was told by the BMW garage that this will make a difference. I'm not so sure that it actually does, but let me know in the comments below what you think. And let's get to it. There you have it. A little bit underwhelming. First of all, in Europe our version of this car is never going to sound as good at the factory as maybe in the US, with all the new regulations around emissions. They barely make a noise, especially with the 4 cylinders. They're relatively non-existent with sound, and the small popping and cracking does go away when the engine warms up, so it's not really there permanently. I actually think the sound of the new M135i does sound a lot better than this, but let me know what you think anyway, and thanks a lot for watching the video. See you again soon.